Hi, this is Chris Richards with the Richards Mortgage Group. Just doing a real quick video on a short-term financing program that we're developing for manufactured home dealers and their customers for situations where the customer does not have the cash to acquire land, put in services, and bring in a home. The assumption is that the client can get a mortgage for the home once complete, but simply doesn't have the cash to put the bits and pieces together. So this program, you have to be a resident of Alberta. You desire a factory-built home that will go on a screw pile or a pony wall foundation, so no basements. The price of the home probably $250 maximum all in, including foundation. The dealer needs to supply the home, trucking, the foundation, new home warranty, and the final installation once the home is at its site. We're looking for projects where the from start to finish is 4 months, which is why we don't do basements. It takes another 2 or 3 months beyond that. The land needs to be 5 acres or less. This is just for affordability since we'll be buying the land. If the land needs clearing or power needs bringing in or septic, the borrower, the client, needs to be in a position to coordinate with the dealer or on their own to get the quotes necessary to bring that lot and get it prepared for the new home delivery. So to get started, have a good read of the web page that this video is posted on. We talk about the program requirements in terms of qualification for you, more details about the property and the project. So you can find that below. At the bottom, it's got some next steps, so please read those carefully. There is a download available for a specific template for acquiring quotes and costs that would be associated with your project. And when we go to evaluate projects, we're looking to see a completed template to see if that is within your budget, and that's something that our program can work with. And at the bottom of the page, you can also kick off a review on whether you would mortgage qualify and if this program's of interest to you.